Hey guys, it's Damien, and we're going to do a video about your cars. So first up, we have this monster truck. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And then we have this one. Let me see that's his color. And here's this cat car. Boom! And we have a race car, you see him. He's white, and check out his color. And we have this orange Ultra Loco. And we have this, you know this car? It's purple. It's a tractor trailer. And this guy.
Cito has grown up to be the wonderful boss he is.
The Avenger. And Venom missiles. Lightning. And blue car. And his blue car. And this blue car. And this blue car. And this blue car.
Of course.
And Francesco's dad. And this car, red car.
Kyle, you look hilarious. So you, Roby. These kids are kind. They seem to be a lot like you. Yes, they really are. All right, kids, are you ready? Let's go.
Today, the young buses found a new side of the
This car. Look.
like Cito.
See it? Isn't it cool?
Roads in the city are always full of cars and buses. But today, traffic seems to be worse than usual.
Isn't it cool, guys?
Roads are jammed today.
This.
Nice to see you.
And this car.
Why is there so much traffic today?
Because a princess from a nearby country is visiting us today.
A princess?
Oh, she's coming.
Where? Wow! It's a princess. She's beautiful. Gladys was mesmerized by the beautiful princess. What? You saw a princess? She was beautiful. What did she look like?
Isn't that cool tires? And this green car. And this green car. Vroom. And this green yellow one. And this green one. And this one is. This one is the king car. And this red car. And this one, the blue car.
Poor Lanny. She seems disappointed that she can't be a princess.
And this one is cool car. This is what my uncle got me. And this car.
Can't be a princess? You'll never get to be a next morning, the little buses gathered at the repair shop.
This car.
I think Lanny isn't feeling good.
Yes, but I just can't seem to find anything wrong with her.
I want to be a princess.
Huh? What did she say?
I want to be a princess.
Hey guys, I think I know a way
In this
to
car.
make her feel better. Yeah, I think she's not a princess. So, how about you guys let her be a princess for a day?
No way! No! Why would we do that?
Well, we
Grave
can't just leave
digger.
Lanny like that.
And this monster stuff.
Yeah, it's only for a
And
day
this
after all.
stupid tractor.
Okay.
Hey, guess what?
And lightning.
We're gonna make you
And another lightning. In this car. In this car, see the color? In this tractor.
Okay, now I'm going to tell you the rules. Number 1, you have to call me Princess Lanny at all times.
The green car.
Hey, that's Princess Lanny to you.
Yes, Princess Lanny.
And this army car.
Number 2, you guys have to always
And this
watch out
police car. I'll be
wherever I
right.
go.
All right.
And number 3, you have to do whatever I tell you to do. Okay?
Oh, what? We can't do all that.
Rosie, but it's only for a day. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Now, everyone say Princess Lanny.
Princess Lanny.
Say it again. Louder this time.
Princess Lanny. How long do we have to do this for?
I don't know, but I'm getting tired.
What is she doing, by the way?
In this purple car.
Really? So, do I like a princess?
People look funny. Huh? Hey, what are you guys doing? I told you, you're supposed to follow me wherever I go.
And this Black Panther. Tricked you. Tricked you guys.
I'm a bit tired. Can we stop now? No. Now you can entertain.
And we have this another police car.
That was funny. Hey, Tayo, you're done. Next is Don.
I'm sorry, Princess, but I'm not good at anything.
Fine. Since you were so good today, you're off the hook. Next is Roki.
What should I do? I guess I'll just sail. Rocky Rocky, he's a friendly little bus. Beating up, slowing down.
Stop! What was that? It was terrible.
What?
That wasn't singing.
Fight in this fire truck. And this fire truck. And this fire truck. And this fire truck. And this ambulance.
We want to play
So, bye guys. Thank you. Wait. Hey guys, welcome to Damien's toy review. But bye guys. Thank you for joining my toy review.